Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine, and we replaced the heating element gasket because it was leaking from the bottom, and now we're just going to pull a test shot and make sure everything is working properly. That pour is a little fast, but just because we need to tighten up the grind a little bit. So let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.